G-String Mafia. We're doing a fucking video on Wipeout construction style. Take a look. Dump truck coming through the raining fire of hell. Cement truck, excuse me. Once it gets through the raining fire from above, it has to make this turn here without hitting those flammable, highly flammable tanks that will explode, or miss that ditch right there that'll take you straight to hell. Either way, you better know how to thread the needle, baby. Make it around this truck, come through this gate, and reload, and come back. Signing off, I gotta do my job.